So let's go back to the beginning, the graduate trainee program.
Yeah.
Quite a number of people I've spoken to, everybody says I began as a graduate trainee. They call it GT.
Yes.
What's this concept about graduate trainee program?
Okay, so the graduate trainee program is a leadership development program. It spans for a year, and through that year you're taken through various roles and tasks within your shortlisted department. And being one of the people who are selected for that program is actually an achievement in itself, because on average we get around 10,000 to 15,000 applicants. So throughout the year, your supervisor determines your key strengths and sees where you would fit in within the organization.
Mm-hmm.
So you get to do a lot and more than probably that you had bargained for when you signed up. You thought you were just getting a job and just a salary, but it's more than that. It goes beyond that. It goes to impacting and leading to development within Kenya and the region.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So fit, is that how you ended up at investor relations? You're good at talking, or?
It could be. It could be. And one of the things, or rather the benefits of the graduate program, is you're able to communicate your key needs and what you'd like to develop. I remember when the department was relatively new, I walked up to my supervisor then and asked them, I want to develop the skills that can help me engage with clients more, to build my people expertise, and that's how I ended up in investor relations. Yeah. So you can get opportunities where you can seek out skills that you want to develop.
Yeah.
Yeah.